Good morning, students, and welcome back to our computer class. So, students, hope you're all doing well. Students, today I'm going to discuss about parts of a computer. So, we have to learn about main parts of a computer like monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. So students, let's start today's chapter 3 parts of a computer यानी कंप्यूटर के पार्ट्स. एक कंप्यूटर के कौन कौन से पार्ट्स होते हैं? I have already told you so many times, students. I just hope you got to know now. Additional devices connected to a computer like printer, scanner, speakers, headphones. These are all the devices are to be connected to a computer. So let's begin, students. Just read it out loudly. As we have different parts in our body, a computer also has many parts. Students, as we can see in our body, so many parts are there. Likewise, a computer has also many parts. All these parts work together to do any work on a computer. जब ये सारे पार्ट्स एक साथ काम करते हैं तभी आप कंप्यूटर पे काम कर सकते हो और तभी एक कंप्यूटर काम कर सकता है. एंड सी मॉनिटर, CPU कैबिनेट, प्रिंटर, माउस, कीबोर्ड. So all these are the parts of a computer. Main parts of a computer. Now let's see. मेन कौन से पार्ट्स हैं कंप्यूटर के? आइए देखते हैं. मॉनिटर. Students, see the picture of a monitor. A monitor looks like a television. एक मॉनिटर बिल्कुल टीवी की तरह दिखता है. We can see movies and cartoons on it. Of course, students, when you want, you can watch movies, cartoons, etc. It shows the work that we do on a computer. Whatever we do on a computer, students, it always displays. Okay? It always shows. Now, next part of a computer is CPU. Central Processing Unit. It is the full form of it. So students, as you can see, this is the cabinet of CPU and CPU is present inside the CPU. So a CPU is the brain of a computer. As we have brain, whatever we order, it does the same. Likewise, a computer has also CPU, which is considered as an important part of a computer, and CPU we call the brain of a computer. Without it we cannot do any work on a computer, and computer also is not able to do any work without CPU. It is present inside the CPU box. As you can see in the picture given over here, students, it is present. It is available inside the CPU box. It helps a computer to think and work according to the given orders. ये ठीक वैसे ही वर्क करता है जैसे ऑर्डर इसको दिया जाता है. Now, next part of computer is, students, keyboard. We have to learn something about these pictures given in this page. So children, please see. Mobile, Casio calculator. Of course, you must have seen a mobile, a Casio, and a calculator. Children, do you find anything common in these pictures? Yes, all of them have a keypad with many keys. See, mobile, so many keys are available here. Casio, it has also many keys. Calculator, likewise students, a keyboard has also so many keys. And each key has a different function. In the same way, a computer too has a keyboard with many keys. So my dear students, you have to also draw the picture of a keyboard in your left side copy of computer. These keys are used to type letters, words, numbers and special characters. See students, alphabetical letters, these are words, numbers, special characters like shift, enter, space bar, alt, function keys. So in this way I can say each key has a different function. Now mouse. A mouse. See this mouse? It looks like a real mouse. आपने माउस तो देखा ही होगा. So ठीक वैसे ही दिखने वाला ये कंप्यूटर माउस भी है. So start students. A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. It has two buttons on it. Students, in my previous video I had shown you the picture of mouse and its buttons. So students, I hope you got to know. It helps us to draw pictures and play games. Yeah, with the help of this mouse you can play games and draw any of the pictures. It is used to point and select things on the monitor. So with the help of mouse you can select any of the items on the monitor. Additional devices connected to a computer. So students, in the synopsis of this chapter, right from the beginning, if you remember, I had taught you additional devices like connected printer, scanner, speakers. So all those are additional devices. So printer is one of them. See, it is used to take printout on a paper. पेपर पे प्रिंट आउट लेने के लिए इसका यूज़ किया जाता है. द प्रिंटेड कॉपी इज कॉल्ड द हार्ड कॉपी. और वही प्रिंटेड कॉपी को हार्ड कॉपी कहा जाता है. इट मीन्स द प्रिंटेड कॉपी ऑन अ पेपर इज कॉल्ड हार्ड कॉपी. So next page students, and next device which is scanner. It is a machine that reads text or pictures printed on a paper and stores them into a computer. It means whatever is printed on a paper it reads and also stores all those things into a computer. So this is scanner. Now speakers. Speakers are used to listen to music or any sound is stored on a computer. Whatever music is stored on your computer, so you can listen them with the help of these speakers. They come in pairs. ये pairs में आते हैं यानी जोड़ों में आते हैं. They are connected to the CPU through a cable. ये cables के ज़रिए connected होते हैं. Now next, headphones. This is headphones. So headphones are worn over the ears. They are used to listen to music or any sound stored on a computer. Those sounds are already stored on your computer. They can be listened through these headphones. Okay, so students, please read out this chapter thoroughly. Right from the beginning, children. प्लीज़ आप बहुत अच्छे से एक बार अपने चैप्टर को रिवाइज करना, अच्छे से रीडिंग कीजिएगा. And in next video, I'll teach you something about its fill in the blanks, rearrange the jumbled letters, tick the right answer, and all those things will be done in next video. Till then, students, take care and thank you very much.